Welcome to the Science Bazaar. Today, we are going to uncover the scientific mysteries behind the kitchen superheroes, the microwave and the oven. Ever wonder why they cook your favorite treats in different ways? Let's find out the reason. So, coming to the first hero, the microwave is like a speedy wizard using microwaves to make water molecules inside your food dance and generate heat. That's why your snacks get warm so quickly. Let's say hello to the oven, the second hero. It's like a gentle giant using hot air to cook your food. An oven is like giving your food a cozy hug. The hot air circulates around, cooking your treats evenly and turning them golden brown. In simple terms, the microwave is the sprinter, quickly warming things up, while the oven is the marathon runner, patiently baking and bringing out those rich flavors. In your kitchen, the microwave and oven work together, each using their unique powers to create a symphony of flavor. So, the next time you pop something in a microwave or bake in the oven, remember the science behind the magic. Stay curious, keep exploring, and enjoy the wonders of science with Science Bazaar. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.